इतना खुश हो गया है। Everyone, welcome back to Shri Shakansha Vlogs. I hope you all are doing absolutely fine. So आज है Sunday and we are going to Apple store now, and I will tell you why we are going to the Apple store. So let's start the vlog. So guys, we have reached the mall. It is called Cherry Creek Mall. It is like around 30 minutes from our house, and the Apple store is in that mall. So we are at the parking right now, and हम लोग अंदर जाते हैं and फिर आपको बताएंगे कि हम क्या लेने आए हैं Apple store पे आज. So finally हमें पार्किंग स्पेस मिल गई है. एंड हमेशा ये मॉल में इतना रश होता है, मतलब बहुत ही ज़्यादा रश होता है. तो अब हम सबसे पहले मास्क लेंगे. मास्क पहनना बहुत ज़रूरी है.
सही बात है.
सो गाइज वी आर एट द चेरी क्रीक मॉल, एंड ये मॉल एक्चुअली हम पहले आए थे ना जब हमने शॉपिंग वाला वीडियो बनाया था.
हाँ आए थे.
तो वैसे हमने ये वाले मॉल का टूर कभी नहीं दिया है, तो वो फिर किसी व्लॉग में दिखाएंगे. बट अभी तो फ़िलहाल हम लोग आए हैं एप्पल के स्टोर, जहाँ से हमें लेना है एप्पल मिनी, जो कि एक पीसी है. तो उसके सारे अनबॉक्सिंग एंड सारे स्पेक्स ये सब हम आपको घर चल के बताते हैं. तो फ़िलहाल तो हम एप्पल स्टोर जाके अपना ऑर्डर पिकअप करते हैं. तो लेट्स गो. तो हमेशा ये वाला मॉल इतना फिल्ड होता है, मतलब हमेशा इतने लोग रहते हैं, बट आज हार्डली कुछ लोग ही मिल रहे हैं.
फिर भी थोड़े बहुत तो हैं.
हाँ है, मतलब ऐसा नहीं कंप्लीट,
बट पार्किंग लगाने
कंप्लीट लॉकडाउन नहीं है, बट हाँ
पार्किंग लगाने में और पार्किंग निकालने में हमें आधे एक घंटे लग जाते थे.
हाँ. सो वी आर इन फ्रंट ऑफ द एप्पल स्टोर. आप मेरे पीछे देख सकते हैं ये एप्पल स्टोर है. तो अंदर जाते हैं एंड फिर आपसे मिलते हैं.
What's the return window?
The time is until January 4th.
January 4th or January 8th?
4th or I'm pretty sure it's 8th.
It's 8th for sure. Okay.
Yeah, it's a holiday which I follow.
Okay.
Is that a good email address for you guys?
Yeah.
थैंक यू.
Thank you. Thank you. तो मैंने फाइनली ले लिया है स्टोर से पिकअप. मैं बताता हूँ मैंने क्या लिया है. थोड़ा भारी है. तो मैंने लिया है मैक मिनी. ये एक मिनी डेस्कटॉप है एप्पल का, और रिसेंटली एप्पल ने M1 चिप वाला मैक मिनी रिलीज़ किया है, तो मैंने वो लिया है. तो मेरा भी फर्स्ट एक्सपीरियंस है मैक के साथ. नॉर्मली आईफोन्स आईपैड के साथ एक्सपीरियंस है, बट मैक ओएस के साथ नहीं है हमारा. तो लेट्स सी, घर चल के देखते हैं कि इसमें क्या क्या फ़ीचर्स हैं और ये मेरे कितने काम का है. तो या चलिए चलते हैं. Yes, so finally I have got the most awaited Mac PC of the year. So let's get started. I'll take this out first. So this is Mac Mini. So this is the new Mac Mini, which was released around 2 weeks before, and we got this on the release date. So I'm very excited about this, and I have seen couple of reviews from people who have already got from the Apple before the release date. So I'm excited about this one. And before I jump into this, let's talk more about my old stuff and the new PC. And one good thing about shopping through Apple is that, especially Apple US or Canada, anywhere, you get a 14 days of return policy. So you can use it, keep your box intact and every receipt intact, and if you don't like it, just go ahead and return it, and it's a very smooth process. And luckily I have got around a month of return date because we have a holiday period. So I'll be using this, testing it out and see how it fits into my workflow. I know it's the best right now, but I'll use it. So let's start. Yeah, so let's talk about some facts about it. So why I'm using this, like why did I buy this? I used to use a HP Spectre. So this is the Intel based chip processor. It's i7, 16 gig of RAM, and it has SSDs. So I was using this for my 4K editing. But the problem is this, with HP laptops and with Intel processor, it's the editing is taxing on the processor and it generates like a lot of heat. So it's always on 100 degrees Celsius, the fans are running and it can blow anytime, and it used to chop in between. So it's not that easy to use these machines as a video editing machine. Normally for video editors you need a good big PC or something like that. So rather than getting a bigger PC which will cost tons of money, the Apple came with these M1 architecture machines. Those are like 3 of them. One is the Mac Mini, MacBook Pro 13-inch and MacBook Air. So I got the Mac Mini, and the reason for that, not the other 2 machines, because I'm not using it to travel with this. So I don't care about the portability issue. So I just need something which sits on my desktop and I just come here, edit my videos, and it's very smooth enough. So that's the reason which I got this one, other than the other bigger ones. So let's talk about specs for a couple of minutes. So this one is it's a small desktop and it has like 8 gig of RAM and it's SSD 256 GB. So this is the base model of Mac Mini. And we have a higher model as well, which is around 16 GB memory, and you can expand the hard disk up to like 2 TBs, and that's SSD. So this is the base model and the price starts from $699. So that's the cheapest ever PC I know which can handle a 4K video editing. Keep this aside. So get ready to see something new. Wow. It looks classy. So the size is pretty small with what it does. Let's unwrap it. And it says Mac Mini. It's a very small footprint, and then we have the ports here. Look at this. So we have 2 USB-Cs, HDMI, and 2 USB 3.0. We have a LAN port, we have a headphone jack, and this is the power button. So a very small but a very powerful machine. So I'll put it to test. Let's see how it goes. Yeah, so I hope you liked the new Mac Mini. So I'll be testing this with my all video editing for the next 1 month, and I'll see if I need to upgrade this to a bigger one. So let's see how it goes. So I'll keep you posted as well. And I'm very excited to get with the new Mac system. So I haven't used it in my previous laptop. So anyways, my first Mac system. Let's see how it goes. Till then, I hope you like the video and let me know if you need more information about it. So I'll have a more descriptive video for this. Till then, bye bye, see you, and don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to Shirish Akanksha Vlogs. Thank you.